Welcome Jedi Knight to flashyoda.com. We're going to turn a character today, and we're going to make this character, Darth Vader, go through the side walls. So what I have here in Vader is MC_Vader movie clip. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, and then click on code snippets, and double click on animation, move with keyboard arrows. Double click on that. And you can see here that it's going to add some code. I don't need to go up and down, so I'm going to delete these cases. However, when I click left, it should go left, and when I click right, it should go right. I'm going to press Control Enter to run my movie. So Vader is going left and right. I want to make Vader face right. So in the case where we face left, I'm going to add a line of code here saying MC_Vader dot scale X, capital X, equals 1, and I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste that over here. Scale X equals -1. Now let's run that. What scale X does is it's how the X should be scaled. If you're going to use negatives, it's going to actually make your image flip in the other direction. So that looks great. Now, how did I remember this property called scale X? Well, I know that MC Vader is a movie clip. If you look on the side here, recall this thing called flash dot where is that? Display. This is a kind of a common one, so just remember flash dot display because you're displaying lots of things. And in the case where we go to the movie clip, you can see there's a property. Property is like a variable. And you can see this thing called letter S. It's a scale X, scale Y, and you can get more familiar with this, but the movie clip is definitely something that you're going to see a lot. Alright, now how do we make it actually appear off the left? Alright, if you push left right now, it's going to always make the X position smaller by 5. However, there may be a point where you actually reach all the way past 0, and in that case, we want it to appear all the way on the right hand side. I'm going to add an if statement. If bracket MC Vader dot X is less than, we'll just make up a number for now. There is a better way to do this, but I'm just going to say -20. So if you're definitely off the left side of the screen, and I'm going to use some brackets here, curly braces, I'm going to say MC Vader dot X is equals to, we'll just say 560, which is slightly larger than we'll just say 570, slightly larger than the actual size width of the stage. Now it is, please ignore that message. Now it is possible to use instead of hard coding these numbers, it is possible to use some variables and constants, but let's not worry about that for now. Let's keep this simple. I'm going to say else. There's my curly braces representing the beginning and end of a code block. Of course, I'm going to move left by 5 pixels. So let's try that. Control Enter. So right now it's going to check if my X position is way less than 20. It's going to poof appear on the right hand side. However, I did not write the code for this way, so this one here, if I just go to the right, it's going to keep on going forever and ever. So isn't that great? I can go to the left, but not through the right. I'm sure you can figure it out. Congratulations, you now know how to make objects disappear, reappear. Just to make a little final point. So the final point here is window, let me see, just get rid of this actions things. I'm going to click on the stage, check the stage properties. I'm going to make this stage color pink or purple. You can see that the stage size is right here, 550, 400. That's how I got a feel for how wide my stage was. Congratulations, you now have some more insight, making character face left and right, as well as going through the walls, the sides, and reappearing on the other sides. May the Flash be with you.